In today's video, I'm going to show you how to screen record on your iPhone step by step. So let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone. Now swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. This will open up the control center. Now if you don't see screen recording button here, then follow these steps. First of all, tap the small plus icon at the top, and by doing this, you are now in edit mode. Now you have to tap on add a control. Now scroll down and find screen recording or simply search for it at the top. Then tap on screen recording to add it. Now tap anywhere on the screen to exit edit mode. Now the screen recording button is added. Now if you want to record your voice, press and hold the screen recording icon. A small menu will appear. Tap on the microphone icon to turn it on. Make sure it's set to save in photos, and you are all set. Now you are ready to record. Open the control center again. Tap on the screen recording button once. Now you will see 3-second countdown. When countdown ends, the top of your screen will turn red. This means your screen is now being recorded. When you are done recording, tap on the red bar at the top of your screen. Tap stop. You will see a message saying the video is saved. By doing this, your screen recording is now saved in your Photos app, and that's it. And that's how you can screen record on your iPhone very easily. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like the video and subscribe for more easy iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.